I extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to each and every citizen of Asian district in particular and the nation as a whole. On this momentous occasion, let us salute the freedom fighters and martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for the freedom of our nation. Today, we also respectfully remember the supreme sacrifice made by our valiant soldiers who guard our border for the last 170 years. We have stood as a strong nation. Our country has faced numerous challenges both from within and outside the country. In the era of global crisis, our country has emerged as a leading light for ensuring the global peace and prosperity. In the past few years, our safe global platform, like the United Nations Organization, World Health Organizations, etc., have increased exponentially. Our space program and efforts towards fighting the climate change are widely acknowledged. The district administration is striving hard to improve the living standard of every citizen, to ease the availability of services to general public. There has been rollout of e-office in the district. With e-office, there has been increasing the speed of file movement, with rapidly of the file more from one official to another. Also, digitally issued recognition, certified certificate, EIPs, NOCs, etc., which are significant steps in improving the ease of delivery of services to the community. The law regulating civil secretary building construction basket is regularly progress. I can say with pride that we will have a new civil secretary in the basket by the year 2024-2025. To improve the electricity and power scenario in the district administration and power grid has dispersed the land compensation to the landowners. The combined efforts of the district administration and the National Infrastructure Development Corporation has changed the landscape of Basket with smart road, parking facilities, dumping ground, drainage facilities, offensive park, etc. Some of the ongoing projects are market upgradation, installation of sewage treatment plant, smart gas house, smart parking, general hospital, 4-lane roads from the radio Sarali to Gandhi School Drive junctions, etc. The Basket will be the most happening city of Arunachal Pradesh in the future. It will be connected by the railways by the year 2025 and inland waterways in the coming next few years. Besides, it also has already connected by the rural airways. A new four-lane project named Bharat-Mana, first phase from Kushi to Where is going to be started shortly. For a smooth completion of such a project of national importance, I seek cooperation of each and every citizen of Eastern District for maintaining peace, tranquility in the district to scale and lives. Seva Api Dwar 2.0 and Viksit Bharat Sankala Yatra have recently completed in the district. The main purpose of Seva Api Dwar is to give a service to the people in their rural state. Viksit Bharat Sankala Yatra was taken up in the whole district to make people aware to all kind of national placing schemes and the schemes of the state government to make India a developed nation by 2047, the year of completion of Amrit Bharat. The Seva Api Dwar 2.0 has benefited more than 5,000 citizens of the district, and the central and state government aims to reach out to the remote place in the last line in the full available the schemes without any discrimination. The district administration has selected the beneficiaries of various schemes in an efficient and transparent manner. The people have immensely benefited from these schemes like Atman Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Seva Nidhi, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, DDS, UY, Manrega, and Atal Pension Yojana, etc. PM Secretary schemes was recently launched in the country. I asked the youth, artisan, craftsmen, etc. to come forward and avail the benefits of the schemes given by the government in Sarkar to make themselves empowered citizens in the country. This young police department, the district police has been instrumental in maintaining the law and order in the district. They have acted heavily against the drug peddlers to control the drug menace in the district. And their result, the loud approach from the circle, less surveillance and hard work. Education. To assess the quality of education imparted, district administration carried out various references for infrastructure development. Emphasis was given to construction of gas toilet in all the schools. Centralized system, namely Nambar Moko, or midday meal was introduced in the district to ensure overall quality of meals supplied to the students. An innovative nation is built by the innovative students. The state was showing the school in the middle of the specific 100% pass percentage of pass place of class 10 students. The Soiling school is still nationally patriotic and the spirit of the nation passed among the young students. I am glad to inform you all that recently the Buckinghamshire General Hospital has been awarded with the best cardiac hospital in the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana in the state. I congratulate and they deserve a big applause for all of you. The Buckinghamshire General Hospital has started across 10 teaching services in the state and successfully implemented the government ambitious scheme. The Chief Minister Arogya Pramana Yojana, the universal health insurance schemes in proposal with Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana PMJAY, with medical coverage of 5 lakh per family per year. Construction of waiting room and blood bank and installation of new USG machines have been completed while major ongoing projects like establishment of 50-bedded critical care blocks, liquid medical oxygen, similarly stations are in the progress. The Women and Child Development Department has successfully implemented the various schemes, including the one-stop center, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Poshan Abhiyan, and conducted a awareness program at school villages to prevent the sodomization of the child babies. Urban development. The Urban Development Department has taken up a multi-purpose complex at ABK office. The smart card funding at Buckinghamshire General Hospital under the Smart City Mission. Ministry under DU Higher Secondary School. One room RCC for training from conference hall at Dice, NCC Road at Anil Zikong Colony, Sarko, PSCT. The PSCT department under the George Zikong Mission, JJF, has provided the functional household care connection to each and every household in the district. The mega project, namely urbanization, water supply, at a Pascal Township from Sirko, source under rural infrastructure development. Has been sanctioned in the year 2022 a work under progress. On completion of this project, the scarcity of drinking water at Wasigat and every area will be solved. The PWD has completed a double land steel art piece over the river Sivapuram, over the villages Mogu, Roing, Moy, Rasam, Tigra, and Gule, etc. The construction of conventional hall at Wasigat and construction of steel railways over the Sivam River at Nagomola, roads and other progress. I also appreciate all our government departments like forest, agriculture, horticulture, archaeology, power, IPR, tourism, FESPS, DRDA, excellent exercises, Wasigat Smart City Development Corporation, Wasigat Municipal Corporation, etc. for their success and achievement. Not the least, I assure the people with their unreasonable support, Eastern District will witness an era of peace, prosperity and development like never seen before. Joy.
तो सदर पहले की आगे पता कैसे
मैं पूरे जग समूह की तरफ से जिलाधीश महोदय का धन्यवाद अदा करती हूँ।